Okay guys, good afternoon. Couldn't record the start of the power hour. I thought I was recording and just went to get some water and this guy was not recording, so I'm sorry. So we're up with 5 contracts up 2600. Okay, so as you can see here, power hour starts 1 p.m. my time, which is Central America. Okay, let me check what's the time in the power hour will be okay, give me a second here. Okay, so we're right now at 3 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so let's see if we get to the target. The market has been very volatile today. It started very nice. We made a profit in the morning, so that was very good. Okay, so like I said before, don't pay attention to the amount of contracts I'm trading. You can trade micros, you can trade minis, you can trade whatever, guys. Don't worry, it's the same. You can trade ES, but in the power hour, I don't recommend ES. ES is very slow at the end of the day. So the NASDAQ moves better, is quicker, and you can get the profit targets a little bit quicker. Okay, we need to let this play out. So I don't know how much time it will take. But if I pause the video, and sometimes I miss the entry. As this thing is too quick, so it's impossible for me to when I'm when I get out of my seat and I click the mouse, it's over. In the ES, it can work a little bit better sometimes, but you need to have small profits. Okay, so maybe 3 ticks, 4 ticks profit and out. Okay, so that way you can benefit from it. If you don't like the volatility of the Nasdaq, as the Nasdaq, you may know it's something to have respect. You need to have respect for the Nasdaq. It's a very volatile instrument, and it can really damage you if you don't know what you're doing. Okay guys, as you can see here, this program is working very good right now. When we have volatility, it really shines. Okay, so there's many ways that you can trade this. Okay, so for example, you don't need to trade all the signals, because these signals, for example, when the market is very slow, when we don't have the HFTs trading, okay, so sometimes the price will go up and will dry. So they will scalp 5 8 ticks. Okay, so if you don't, for example, if you don't want to trade below a price, like right now is above this line, so it can be done. You can just add a filter, and it will not trade if price, it will not trade short if price is above the moving average. Okay, so if price is below the moving average, it it will only take shorts and longs above. Okay, so we can do many things. Okay, so it will ignore, for example, this short will be ignored. Okay, so there's many things that you can do, guys. For example, we enable the exit strategy. Okay, so if we are short or we are long, if a counter trend signal is executed, so it will exit the trade no matter what. Okay, it didn't work there. Kind of a slow power hour right now. Okay guys, I will be right here just with the mic off, so until we see something I will let the video run here. I don't want to make these videos too long, because I know they're, you know, sometimes they're gonna be, there's they are very, you know, you, if you want to see them, you can put them on 2x speed, so that way you can watch the trades. Okay, so we had another short here with a winner. So let's see, we're just gonna be doing it a little bit, maybe 1 minute more. So we're not gonna make these videos too long. So like I said guys, if you are interested in the system, just send me an email. Okay, so we are getting to end of month. I will not be selling it to anymore. Okay, if you don't contact me today, right now, in this end of month, the selling will end. I will not sell it anymore to nobody, not even if I receive an email later. So I need to focus on my customers, and I would focus on the people that trusted me. And so you know how it is. I will focus on them because they are paying good money for this. So I need to help them develop and achieve their goals as traders. Okay, so Okay, still very slow. Okay, so we got congested here now, so well, market just went sideways here. I'm up 3K, guys, so I don't know if I want to continue. Okay, there you go. Okay, guys, that's it for me. We made $3,500. So, guys, that was very quickly. Okay, like I said before, I'm a little bit tired. It's very hot over here. I need to move on. So, thanks for watching, guys. You can contact me. There's a link in the description of the video. There's my information. You can contact me. Remember that Skype is moving on and we are moving to Teams. It's very easy to move your account. It's the same thing. It's just instead of Skype, it's Teams, and it will put all your contacts automatically for you. So that's it, guys.